A question I hear often is, how long does it really take to fix audit non-conformances? The answer depends on the issue, but delays usually come from unclear root causes. Hi, I'm Felicia Liu, your food safety consultant, helping food businesses understand and meet food safety requirements and pass their audit. Some non-conformances can be closed quickly with updated records or retraining. Others take longer because they require process changes, equipment adjustments, or stronger controls. Inspectors are not looking for speed. They are looking for effective corrective actions that prevent the issue from happening again. The key is understanding why the problem happened and fixing the cause, not just the symptom. When corrective actions are practical and verified, closures go much more smoothly. The takeaway is simple. Quality corrective actions save time in the long run. We are happy to help you. Simply book a call with me using the link in the description or give me a call at 1-236-513-2488.